Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Caddy of the Day. I'm your host, Thurston McMyer III, and today we're diving into the world of Caddy 417, otherwise known as Wild Thing. Trust me, folks, you don't want to miss this one.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ain't so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
Navy Golf Course is known for its breathtaking views and challenging fairways. But what sets it apart are the charismatic caddies, especially caddy number 417, aka Wild Thing. She's not your average caddy. She brings a different type of energy to the game. Caddy 417 is a true gem, not just for her caddy skills, but also for her vibrant personality. She's beautiful, sexy, and has an infectious sense of humor. But what really sets her apart is her love for dancing after a few beers. Picture this. Doing a round of golf, you'll find Caddy 417 unwinding with a few brewskis, letting loose and grooving to the rhythm. Her dance moves are legendary. You won't be able to resist joining in on the fun. But let's not forget, folks, Wild Thing is more than just a dancer. She's knowledgeable, attentive, and always goes the extra mile to ensure we always have an unforgettable experience. Whether it's recommending the perfect club or sharing insider tips, she's got it all covered. Wild Thing made my day on the course so enjoyable. Not only did she give her great advice, but her energy was contagious. I've never met a caddy like Wild Thing before. She made me feel like a pro, and her dance moves at the end in the parking lot were the cherry on top. Now, let's hear from Wild Thing herself. I think she has a promising career and could be a star. If I could teach her how to sing in English, it is over. Listen and see for yourself.
Hey, let him know, baby.
As I said before, this is a diamond in the rough. If she can make a polyester 1979 McDonald's employee outfit look this good, imagine what she would look like with all the bells and whistles. You heard it first here. The potential is endless. How is it possible with a shape like that, not one, but two children have come out of there? If the software is intact, one music video can change her entire life. Make sure to hit the like button. If you like what you're seeing, if you like what I'm saying, make sure to set your notification bell to all. Because if I get the feedback I think I'm going to get, we are definitely going to bring her on a live. She knows she's got it. Look at her. With all that beauty, even with the it factor, these women remain humble. I'm about to show you next, actually, what happened randomly.
Then they come in and clean the... I ain't seen this part of the game yet. They just start guarding and hey, they bouncing. They even have fun while they cleaning up, y'all. I can't make this shit up. Wait a minute. See, like, this is how she get down. This is how they do the laundry out here, y'all. I can't make this shit up. They're cleaning, they're manicuring the lawn while dancing in the middle of the round, though. I can't make this shit up. Shane came out to witness Caddy today. Shane, how you feeling, man?
I feel good, man. It's a different experience. Haven't been on a golf course in that long, but hey, I'm just taking it all in. Taking it all in.
All right, y'all, it's the end of the day. My Caddy. My Caddy, that's what it looked like when she take it off after being in the heat all day, sweating, hair's wet. She still look good. She still holds it down. Show me that smile. Show me that pretty smile. Should have had a couple of days. Did I hear you about your D? Hey, hindi ba talay? Dear.
1-5.
5? She said she had this one here. You go home. No, you're not 6. She had like 3. And you still driving me around? That's dangerous. 10. 10?
Sly map.
She probably could be 10. You gotta see what it is, man. She is sexy. She is sexy. You guys write in the comment section. Let me know. We can make her into a star. She says she can sing. You can sing, right? You sing? You sing? You can dance? Yo, we're gonna make this a project right here. I think I got one, man. I think I got one. Wow. I think I got one. We're gonna see y'all. Say bye-bye.
And there you have it, folks. Wild Thing, the beautiful, sexy, dancing, loving caddy of the Navy golf course. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, she'll ensure the time on your course is unforgettable. Thanks for tuning in to Caddy of the Day. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Until next time, keep swinging and keep the notification bell ringing. You dig? Theme music!
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
If you want to go on a golf date, make sure to email me at zoomtothailand@gmail.com and type golf date in the subject matter. Also, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. Put the notifications to all, because you never know when we might do a pop-up in the middle of Thailand. You dig?